Good day. This is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD. It's today's Thursday, May 4th, 2023. It is 8:52 and 10 seconds, p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And today's research, breast cancer. So let's hop to it here. Gamma delta T cells can fight aggressive breast cancer. Date May 4th, 2023. Source: University of Freiburg. The scientific researchers discover a mechanism of which cancer cells escape the immune system. As triple-negative breast cancer is the most aggressive and deadly form of breast cancer, with limited treatment options and a high probability of recurrence. As tumor growth and relapse of triple-negative breast cancer are driven by breast cancer stem cells and improved therapies that can eliminate those hardy cells are urgently needed. Researchers have coordinated differentiation and changes in the metabolism of breast cancer stem cells, make them invisible for the immune system. As counteracting a metabolic change, where the drug zoledronic acid can make immunotherapy using gamma delta T cells more efficient against triple-negative breast cancer. Gamma delta T cells recognize and kill cells that produce stress-induced molecules and phosphoantigens, a common characteristic of cancer cells. Because gamma delta T cells work differently to other types of T cells, they are being investigated as an alternative to existing immunotherapies. In the current study, the researchers tested the effect of gamma delta T cells on triple-negative breast cancer using isolated cancer cells in a recently developed mouse model that closely replicates the tumor properties found in human patients. While the gamma delta T cells work well against isolated breast cancer stem cells from patients, they had a much weaker effect than the mouse model. This was due to adaptations of the cancer cells that let them stay unnoticed by the immune system, the researchers found. As these adaptations include the downregulation of the so-called valvinate pathway, a metabolic pathway that leads to the production of phosphoantigens, one of the classes of molecules that gamma T cells recognize. And this escape mechanism likely also happens in patients with triple-negative breast cancer. Analysis of public patient databases showed that reduced expression of key molecules of the valvinate pathway correlate with a worse prognosis. As this newly discovered escape mechanism can be counteracted by the drug zoledronate, which is Federal Drug Administration approved for the treatment of osteoporosis and bone metastasis. When the researchers treated the escapist cells with zoledronate, the gamma T cells became a lot more efficient in clearing the cancer. The findings explain why current clinical trials using gamma delta T cells are not resulting in the expected success. They found a possible pharmacological-based approach to reverse immune escape, which paves the way for novel combinatorial immunotherapies for triple-negative breast cancer. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.